everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to normalize audio in CapCut on your mobile device. Normalizing helps keep the audio volume consistent so your videos sound clear and professional. Let's get started. The first step is to import your video. Open CapCut and start a new project. Add the video with the audio you want to normalize by selecting it from your gallery, or you can continue with an existing project. The next step is to select the audio track. Once the video is on the timeline, tap on the audio track to select it. Then you see a menu of audio options appear at the bottom of the screen. While CapCut doesn't have a specific normalize button, you can manually adjust the audio volume to keep it consistent. Tap volume to set a level that keeps the audio from being too loud or too quiet. If you have sections that need smoothing, you can also use the fade in and fade out option for a more balanced sound. The next step is to test your audio. Play back your video and make sure the video is steady and it sounds just right. You can go back and make small adjustments as needed. And that's it, guys. You've normalized the audio in CapCut on your mobile device. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Please like, comment and share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.